Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on how to recover deleted data on Instagram. So, if you deleted photos, messages, or posts in Instagram and you want to recover it. So yeah, it's possible and it is quite easy. If you delete your messages in the past or recently and you want to get it back, so it is very easy to restore those chats. So, click on your profile. Click on menu button. Click on My Activity. Click on Recently Deleted if you want to restore recently deleted photos. Then click on Restore. If you want to restore your photos, chats, videos, or personal information, click on Download Your Information. Click on Request a Download. If you want to restore certain information, then click on Second option. Click on Submit Request. Choose Information Types. Click on Next. It will send those information through email. If you want to recover full copy, click on First option. Click on Submit Request. If you have any questions or facing any problem, feel free to comment. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful. Make sure to subscribe our channel for more short and interesting tutorials.